Welcome to second grade. Hi, my name is Karna Prime. I've been a teacher in District 11 for the past 10 years. In fact, I'm a District 11 student myself. Both of my children, Lily and Corbin, also attend District 11 schools. Lily is at West Middle School and Corbin gets to attend Chipeta this year. Our reading curriculum is Wonders. Wonders is a wonderful curriculum that incorporates spelling practice, high-frequency word practice, repeated reading, a mix of fiction and nonfiction, flexible small groups, and opportunities to work on project-based learning. Our math curriculum is Math Expressions. Our time is split between whole group instruction and small group instruction, where students get to receive individualized attention. Second grade math standards focus on memorized addition and subtraction, a solid understanding of place value, two-digit addition and subtraction with regrouping, and accurate measurement. Writer's Workshop is my favorite time of day. Writing is a process that students are taught to work through. Brainstorming, planning, editing, rewriting, and finally publishing. Second graders get to type their published pieces this year. Writing is an art form that I really want students to find joy in doing. We focus on our favorite published authors for ideas, inspiration, and guidance. My homework policy is as follows. Students will have a read and respond journal where they're expected to read, on average, 10 to 15 minutes a day, maybe 20, and then write a written response in their journal. Responses must include the title of their book, their opinion on the character, problem, or the outcome, and a supporting reason for their opinion. Our weekly homework consists of a math homework packet. Students should do a single page every night, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, but please don't hesitate to call or email if there are questions or concerns. A reading skills page is also included in our weekly homework. It has vocabulary, comprehension strategies that we're working on that week, sight words, and sample spelling words. We focus more on the patterns of our spelling words, not necessarily the specific words. Accelerated Reader is an exciting part of second grade. We encourage second graders to read at their reading level, but to also enjoy reading books at all levels. We have a new science curriculum. Please look for information to come. Please provide a single healthy snack for your second grader. We sure get hungry in the morning. Our Chipeta folders come home on Fridays. This contains completed work, so don't forget to return them. Attached is my contact information. You can reach me at my email, at the phone number provided before or after school, or join our class in the Remind app. Text at CHIPET to 810-810.